Why clean eating can still exhaust the system. This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 39. When detox becomes a drain. Detox sounds like a relief, clean, light, healthy, but biologically, detox can become a drain. Not because detox is bad, but because detox has a cost, and sometimes the body can't afford it. Detox is not something that happens to you, it's something your body does. Every toxin processed, every compound neutralized, every molecule prepared for removal requires energy, ATP, minerals, amino acids, oxygen. Detox is an active workload. You can eat perfectly, organic, low sugar, no alcohol, no junk, and still feel exhausted. Why? Because the system is under pressure. Reduced calories, low protein, restricted carbohydrates, high stress, poor sleep, all while detox demand stays high. The liver doesn't slow down, the immune system doesn't pause, so energy is borrowed from recovery, from hormones, from resilience. Nothing breaks, but fatigue deepens. Here's the distinction most people miss. Detox removes load, recovery restores capacity. If capacity is low, removing more load still costs energy. You don't get lighter, you get tired. This is why aggressive detox often leads to weakness, coldness, brain fog, irritability, poor stress tolerance. Not because the body is failing, but because it's overworking. When resources are limited, the body chooses protection over performance, processing over expression, safety over energy output. That's intelligence, not collapse. What actually helps? Detox works best when energy is available. That means adequate calories, sufficient protein, minerals and hydration, stable blood sugar, nervous system calm, support first, reduce load second, never the other way around. Feeling exhausted doesn't always mean you need to cleanse more. Sometimes it means the system needs fuel, not discipline. Detox is about having enough to do the work. Next episode: rest is not collapse. Why slowing down can increase energy when nothing else works. Thank you.